Thanks for learning about the Applied Smart Factory. Many of our friends have heard us talk about a new term called EngineeredWorks and ask, what is this new capability and how will it help me? Let's start with a definition. EngineeredWorks is pre-built automation logic that executes on a proven applied smart factory technology. EngineeredWorks increases speed to value for customers and provides quicker deployment times. Now, what does that mean? For years, factories have been using products based on the smart manufacturing technologies. These will deliver more for your expensive manufacturing assets. They have proven highly successful and are adopted in complex manufacturing. So why would we need EngineeredWorks? Let's look at an example. Take Real-Time Dispatcher, or RTD, as a baseline product has a powerful execution engine. Now, EngineeredWorks is the logic that is common to the industry best-known methods and is pre-built for a much faster start to dispatching in your factory. The logic is proven, tested, and the source is available to you. You will get an immediate boost of manufacturing value. Why do we need EngineeredWorks? Well, in your factory, requirements are growing and they continue to change. The support teams are shrinking and you are losing both capability and capacity. EngineeredWorks take action. Capabilities available will take you to a full automated factory, perform dynamic scheduling and real-time dispatching, integrate with master planning and S&OP planning, and connect the shop floor to an integrated simulation environment. At the tool level, advanced process control and product diagnosis, leveraging SPC data is available, with much more in R&D. EngineeredWorks are used in existing factories who seek continuous improvement and expansion of existing operations, and even when you want to build a new factory. Thanks for listening today to learn about Smart Factory EngineeredWorks and innovation of applied materials.